Welcome to this mini session on creating abstract artworks using acrylic paints, incorporating collage, as well as using my trusty and much loved Creative Husky acrylic paint pens. To start with, I'll select the color palette that I want to work with on the day, and I'll use these colors to put down the initial layer of acrylic paints using bold shapes and marks. Once that's dry, I'll go to my second layer, which is incorporating images and cuttings from any of my previous artworks or magazines I've collected. The purpose of this layer is to create a contrast in terms of form, shape, or color in comparison to the first layer. Once both these layers are dry, we'll go to the final layer, which is using my Creative Husky acrylic paint pens. And here I'll start to add much finer detail in terms of images and marks. This was from a session this morning over about 60 minutes, and I came at this from a place of intuition and a place of being. This is incredibly relaxing and also a really powerful way to create. When we create in such a free-flowing way, it opens up many doorways for coming up with new ideas, images, or ways of making marks. So grab your paints, your paint pens, and a canvas, and let's have a go.